Kiaborokeria Kuppet kubwaterana no mubunge w'ensemo ye bunge ya Emuhaya Omboko Milemba nigo bamukire kiombe gyokurika aborokia emeremo gia TSC ase OGOTAIKERANIA AMAGANIO yaborokiwa gwetero kuigwana babigete ase omurubiro manyakaibira CBA ase nkwana yabo nigo baerere buna omubaro bwa aborokiwa gosibwa aborokia chilifu 25 nigo baganiri gukini gwebirogo abo ase omubaro yo batebirana no mokemono tokonyara gukora obokongu bore aroro ase ensemo chisemi asebo igo baichanire buna ekiombe gia TSC tikianya kubeka okoboria wetera ase bunge nene yokugania chibesa echichiganirie gusira aborokiwa bwo chilifu 25 abo baganirie gukinigwa ebirogo.
Lobby to President on 13th of September when the teachers, 10,000 teachers visited the President at State House, Nairobi. The President did commit that according to the number of teachers, the 25,000 teachers being promoted was just too little given the number of teachers and the kind of outcry that the teachers have had over the years that they stagnate in similar job groups. However, the union is concerned by the slow pace of action on all the other issues. In particular, we were shocked that the Teachers Service Commission had not made any funding request to Parliament for the promotion of 25,000 more teachers during the upcoming supplementary budget, which is due by the end of January 2026. We were also concerned by the Commission's failure to convene the technical committee charged with reviewing the job description for teachers, which is a precondition for the review of the career progression guidelines. The committee, whose Kuppet representative is Mr. Paul Maingi, has not met for more than 5 months since its formation. We also expressed dissatisfaction with the Commission's policy guidelines on intern teachers, which we fear may turn teachers into casual workers. The guidelines provide for open-ended internship service without specific timelines for the confirmation of intern teachers into permanent terms. And most regrettably, the Commission blames funding for its failure to convert 20,000 current interns into permanent employment, yet it had not sought such funding from Parliament. We were also pushing that the President give teachers or the teachers be given concessions or priority in the affordable housing. And the President had committed 20% of those houses, wherever they are finished, to accommodate the teachers' interest.